Alright, so this is how you play this game, niggas. It's exactly like catching a woman in a lie. You ask a rhetorical question, a question you know the answer to bait her into lying. Because you got screenshots waiting to blindside her with. I got them screenshots, why the fuck you lying? Alright? So we're gonna say something to say something to say something to make a point. Alright? We're gonna say something to say something to make a point. So keep up. We're gonna say something to say something to say something to make a point. Don't let it confuse you. Matter cannot be created nor destroyed. Science says this is a physical law governing nature which cannot be broken at any point in time for any reason. Life cannot spontaneously come to exist. Okay, well, yeah, matter cannot be created nor destroyed. Science says this is a physical law governing nature which cannot be broken at any point in time for any reason. They actually believe that. Life cannot spontaneous. The facts, they manipulate the facts. The facts they think are facts. That's why they teach you. That's why it's possible to be smart in it. It's like the facts are interwoven in with the lie, and the facts aren't facts, by the way. But okay. Life cannot spontaneously come to exist. Science says this is a physical law which cannot be broken under any circumstance. Okay. The infographical guide to science written by Tom Cabot explains the theory of the creation of life generally accepted by the scientific community. In this book, he says, in the hot, dark, mineral-rich water surrounding hydrothermal vents. Okay, this is his word. Atheist. This is the nail in the coffin, boy. In the hot, dark, mineral-rich water surrounding hydrothermal vents on the floor of the ocean, around 4 billion years ago, everything began to change. New chemicals appeared, sugars, nucleic acids, fatty acids, amino acids. Some of these reactions, initially fueled by, some of these compounds had catalytic qualities. They assisted other chemical reactions, initially fueled by the escaping heat of the Earth's interior. As the soup became richer, larger molecules began not just to assist the reaction and create similar molecules, but also to copy themselves. Hot rocks in soup format had the ability to clone itself. Hot rocks in soup format had the ability to clone itself. Clone itself. Fuck off, Tom Cabot. Matter created itself by cloning itself, Tom Cabot? You can suck a dick, Tom Cabot. Tom Cabot, if this happened accidentally and you know the basic chemicals that these organisms are made of, fucking make one, Tom Cabot. It shouldn't be hard if hot rock soup acts so fucking dentally equipping unconscious matter with encoding DNA, giving organisms the ability to fucking clone itself. Clone yourself, Tom Cabot. Can you clone yourself, Tom Cabot? I doubt it, Tom Cabot. If you know so fucking much, recreate it, Tom Cabot. You say you know the ingredients, Tom Cabot. So what's up, Tom Cabot? Are you gonna put up or shut up, Tom Cabot? Shut up, Tom Cabot. A flow slower than free slap. A flow slower than free slap. Slim 3 years to beat that. Jesus is the one fucking up his words, by the way. Elsa perfect. Bible search Leviticus 18 hashtag. Let's fuck, babe. Satan, why you claim that you're this dragon? Exaggeration, tad bit, that sad kid. That's why it made me laugh, bitch. Satan, why you getting mad, bitch? Why you never say it like it happened? What's going on with that shit? Going strong than you have been. Ha ha. Reaching in, smashed in. This crap you had imagined. Satan, I'm a faggot. I know that's why you laughing, Satan. What's your problem with the truth? Like, what's wrong with doing you? Like, why you always lying? What's wrong with being you? A dragon dog, you closer to a flute. A dragon dog, Satan, you closer to a shoe. I hear you like to boast, but yo, you never boast in you. I mean, you do. You just never boast the truth. Ain't that what you supposed to do? Ain't that what you supposed to do? I thought you was the highest pilot. Like, there ain't never been nothing close to you. You're lower than a poster if I sat it somewhere close to you. You could beat me somehow, but I'll never not be over you. I could lay down flat as fuck. Still, you will be lower, dude. That kaboom, man. Older you, the slower you. Like Satan, I could walk right past you and not notice you, not owe us you. Oh, I didn't know it's you. More like, I ain't see you. You stick out less than boulders do. Maybe try a boulder you, where you are you, but just a boulder you. Satan, someone's trying to get a hold of you. Satan, fuck roasting you. We about to smoke a bowl of you. I can't wait to meet a bowl of you. When your crafty ass looks just like a bowl of soup. When you resemble smoldered food. When all you fucking think about is damn you missed the cold of you. When all you fucking think about is damn you missed the cold of poop. Like when all you fucking think about is damn you missed the cold of you. Like North Dakota, Poland, all them Polars do. Like when you brag about your greatest talent being making cold of food. Like you would pay for the cold and flu. Like you would pay for the cold and flu. Hold on. Alright. A real place that does not exist. Nowhere. Nowhere is a real place that does not exist. Okay. One step to inventing universes, okay? Space does not exist. Literally, it's 0D. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, you're missing a D. You are missing a D, ladies and gentlemen. You are missing a D. Hold on. 1D, a point. Okay, 2D, 2 points. Make a line. 3D, it should be a square or something to the effect thereof. 4D is a three-dimensional object. What we're saying is you're missing a D. You are missing a D. You are missing a D. Ladies and gentlemen, you are missing a D. How the fuck do you miss a whole D? Ladies and gentlemen, you're missing a D. How do you miss a whole D? If space is a spatial dimension. It's 0D. Space is a spatial dimension. It's just like you got 1D, 2D, 3D, and 4D. Space is a spatial dimension. Ladies and gentlemen, you're missing a D. Ladies and gentlemen, you are missing a D. Alright, so look, you got 1D. It's a point. Right or wrong? Okay. 2D, 2 point, right? Yes. And then y'all skip straight to 3D. Okay. 3D, 4 points. Ladies and gentlemen, y'all are missing the whole D. I mean, y'all are missing the whole fucking D. Atheists, stop! Stop! You're missing the whole D. You are missing a whole D. Hold on, we'll back it in. You got 0D, which is a spatial dimension. Hey, atheists, ask them about spatial dimensions. Spatial dimensions. You know spatial dimensions exist because it does not exist? Space exists because it does not exist. There's your contradiction, atheist. Space exists because it does not exist. Okay? You got 0D, spatial dimensions. And space exists. Space exists due to the fact everything but money. Ladies and gentlemen, that is Satan making fun of Marshall to his face. Little did Satan know that is God making fun of Satan to Satan's face. Marshall Mathers, the exact same way Satan is making fun of you to your face. The exact same way Satan is making fun of you to your face. God is making fun of Satan to his face. The exact same way Satan is making fun of you to your face, Marshall Mathers. You was possessed by Satan when you made this song. You were possessed by Satan when you made this song, Marshall Mathers. The same way that Satan was making fun of you to your face, it's the same way God was making fun of Satan to his face. Okay? Space exists due to the fact it does not exist. This is a fact. This statement is above reproach, Christians. Space exists due to the fact it does not exist. There's your riddle. When the Big Bang can't solve that. Ladies and gentlemen, space does not interact with matter. Space does not interact with matter, period. That's its job, to not interact with matter. Space does not interact with matter, period. Space does not interact with matter. So therefore, the Big Bang can't possibly have made space.